Don't watch grown-up movies, Royce Bedoys. Maker, I'm here to spend the night. Let me in. Hi, Royce Bedoys. Did you bring your toothbrush and your pajamas? Yep, all in my backpack. Great. You boys pick a movie and I'll order a pizza. Pepperoni, please. What movie should we watch? How about Toy Adventure 4? Halloween's around the corner. Let's watch the new scary movie. But that's a grown-up movie. I don't think that's a good idea. Just put it on. You're making the sleepover boring. Fine. See, it's not that scary. Don't be a baby like my little brother Lois. Uh-oh, I don't know if this is a good idea or not. I'm not scared. I'm just cold. Oh no, where did the monster go? It's probably behind her. Ah! It came out of nowhere! I need to use the bathroom. Don't take too long. I don't want to be alone. Hello? Is there anyone in here? Uh-oh, I think he's really scared going to the bathroom alone. I'm not going in there. There could be a monster inside. You're back already? That was quick. Where's my popcorn? Did you take my popcorn? Why would I take your popcorn? I have my own. Maybe the monster took it. Thump! What's that sound? Did you hear that? What was that? Pizza's here. Ah! I'm scared. What happened, Royce Bedoys? Why are you scared? We watch a scary grown-up movie. Maker, I told you no grown-up movies. You're grounded. But Mom... Royce Bedoys, make a smart choice. Oh, he's thinking. What is he going to say? It was my idea to watch a grown-up movie. It's not Maker's fault. Oh, I'm glad Royce Bedoys told the truth. Okay then, let's put on a happy movie so you won't be scared anymore. Kids movies are so much better. Yep, Toy Adventure 4 is funny and cool. That's right, Royce Bedoys. You don't watch grown-up movies when you're not a grown-up. Now you can print and cut your own Royce Bedoys paper doll at woohoostorytime.com.